Watch out. Oh, look, a hobo. Is going on, guys? So we're gonna do a bit of a vlog today. AP needs to go pick up a new topper for the Titan. We took off the cover he had picked up recently. Max is gonna come along with us, and we have to travel to Lakeland for this, so it's gonna be a few hour drive there and back, so it's gonna be fun. And along the way we're probably gonna pick up some lunch, and on the way back I don't know what we're gonna do, but when we get back we have to do a few things to the 5.0 build and also the Focus, because we got some fun stuff in there, but it's probably not gonna be in this video. It'll probably be in some other videos. Alright guys, so we got our snacks, and now we're on our way.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me, it tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make up.
Alright guys, so we've braved Orlando, conquered the roads with people failing to signal when they cut you off very politely. And it's raining. That makes people even better drivers in Orlando.
Makes people angry at us.
Yeah. But yeah.
Everyone gets so angry.
But yeah, so we're almost here. I'm gonna go get the topper. AP's so excited. You can see his face. Yeah, let's check this thing out. Alright guys, so that was a fail. The topper was not the right size. It was for the half doors. AP has the complete 4-door cab.
He sent me a measurement of 69 inches by 69 inches, which is a 5.5 bed, 5'5" bed, which is what this is. That is for a 6.5 foot bed. So we basically wasted an hour and a half of our time driving all the way over here to pick up a topper that doesn't fit.
Yeah, that sucks. Now I guess we're gonna go meet up for lunch, right?
I think so.
So
I'm gonna do a quick search real quick and see if there's anything over here while we're over here.
yeah, see if we can make our time useful. See what we're gonna get for lunch. Check back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna go eat sweet tomatoes and then head home. Probably catch back up with you when we get to the house.
Oh, am I doing it? You're the one who went in there too.
Hey, he didn't go in!
I walked in and then walked right back out.
Okay, so we just left Sweet Tomatoes, and there's only one bathroom, I guess, in Sweet Tomatoes, or one stall or something.
Yeah.
So Anthony wanted to go to Target so he could use the bathroom because there was like a million people in Sweet Tomatoes. We got in the Target, and I don't know what happened to this guy, but he managed to shit everywhere in the Target bathroom.
Yeah, it filled up the whole, like he didn't go in the handicap one, he went to the small one and he filled up the whole floor. We finally made it back from Orlando. The traffic was crazy, so it's been most of the day out there, so we're probably not going to get to all the projects I wanted to do, but I'm going to start out by doing a project I started last night and didn't start filming, but here it is. Now you may remember I went ahead and replaced the headlights, but this one I took out and took the cover off, the front lens, because the whole thing started fogging up. So I'm gonna took it off, cleaned up all the sealant, and it looks sad. missing an eye. But yeah, I'll show you where I'm at now with that. As you can see, I went ahead and got the plastics off. Actually used one of Mustang Lifestyle's videos where he takes the headlight apart. It was in the oven at 210 for about 10 minutes. And yeah, it came right apart. The only problem was some of these have staples in them. They pulled up with the glue. And yeah, I just gotta wipe everything down, make sure it's nice and clean. I'm gonna take this apart, wipe the lens down from the water, and then I have the new gasket silicone Mega Black, just like the stuff that was already in here that I went ahead and removed. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh, oh, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one.
Alright guys, so the lens is back on, all siliconed in. Actually went around all the edges and sealed that as well, except for where the tape is, actually putting some tension, holding it back. I'll go through tape, no, silicone over there. Once I take the tape off, yeah, ready to not have this leaking every time it rains or wash the car. As you can see, it is nighttime and it's actually the next day. I went ahead and installed the lights and test them out because it's been raining all day. And it seems like the sealant actually worked. Check it out. As you can see here, dirty, but it's all dry. Turn them on real quick for you. Alright, so yeah, I think they're gonna last. I hope they're gonna last. And I know it's been an odder style video for us. We don't usually do the vlogs and anything, but I mean, if you guys liked it, let us know. If you didn't, let us know. I mean, we do a lot of traveling and running around, and this time it just didn't work out for AP. Hopefully he finds a topper that he wants soon. He's been looking for a while now. But yeah guys, I guess we'll talk to you next time.